Harlsan's has a high variety, low volume production table. So we have 138 customers. We have 6,000 different parts that we make. We supply around 8,000 parts per month. A lot of our things are made to order, so a customer might come in and want 100 of something, or might want 1 or 2 of something. To us, it doesn't matter. That we'll just go out and produce that.
My brother Harley and I own this business, and we both have different skill sets, and we both complement each other on account of those different skill sets.
I'm the production manager of the company here at Harlsan. I've come into this role over the years to manage the floor since we've grown dramatically as a company.
I'm one of the senior machinists here at Harlsan. We do a lot of custom design drill components.
I've been here for 12 years. I'm a boilie for Harlsan Industries.
I've been here for about 6 years now. I'm a fitter machinist by trade.
In the past, the challenges that Harlsan had, we're making XX stock, probably 4 to 5 times what we see now. We're also predominantly late with our orders quite regularly, so we had lots of issues going on.
We were fortunate that my brother Harley was over in Melbourne attending a conference and fairly serendipitously ran into Toyota, talked about our business, what we were trying to do, and fortunately Toyota agreed to come all the way to Kalgoorlie, which you've got to consider as right on the other side of Australia in a somewhat remote mining area, and help us make the changes. We've been working with Toyota for almost 2 years.
When Toyota came to us, we had a quick survey of our customers and found out they wanted to be supplied with the parts in quite a quick time.
No doubt I was a bit sceptical, been in the industry for 20 years and I thought I was pretty good at what I did, but with the help of TSSC, it opens your mind up that maybe I should be doing it another way, and we just seem to be getting better and better each week. Our setup times in a CNC lathe were approximately 35 to 40 minutes on average. They helped us get that down between 5 and 10 minutes now. Probably 4 to 5 setups a day was the average before, but now we've done in excess of 20.
One of the things that we've implemented into the workshop is an end-on system. End-on is a Japanese word for signal. Basically, we've given the guys a tool to use to signal for help. That way we can come out on the floor, directly have a look at the problems the guys are having and work through the problem together and problem solve together.
We could pick up a problem straight away instead of half a day down the track. You're there and then on the spot, and the product's out the door as well. So it's really good, yeah.
It's been a very good relationship. Kaizen is the Japanese word for continuous improvement. When you look around our workplace here, there's been hundreds of tiny continuous improvements that have been made all over the place, and all those improvements add up over time to make a really large improvement. One of the interesting things that happens when you work with the Toyota system is that you're actually increasing the value of your people over time. They have the ability to think of solutions, new ways of doing things, new ideas, and creating a whole improved environment where things are more efficient, more effective, and the job is just done better.
When we first started, it was about 2.5 days for production lead time. We've got that down to less than an hour.
What we were able to do once Toyota got engaged with us, we were able to speed up the process and deliver to customers in a more just-in-time environment, which created the ability for us to have less stock on the shelf and be able to provide straight away to our customers. Since we've started to solve the problems out in the workshop, our late deliveries have gone down to near zero. Many months we have 100% on-time delivery to our customer. The partnership with Toyota has been so rewarding because of the ability that we've had to create a fantastic team, and everybody on our floor has inputted and created improvements that just make our company stronger and give us better confidence with our customers.
Working with Toyota to properly understand continuous improvement, we realise that this is something that you never reach the end point of. You just keep learning and learning and getting better and better over time.